Denwerks got something really cool today. It's a 1999 Plymouth Prowler, painted in Prowler purple, which I think is the perfect color for these cars. Very cool, mild custom. Actually really a wild custom from the factory. You'll probably never see a car like this built by the factory again. Just really cool. Aluminum frame, beautiful body, nice body work that they did. These were all hand built, and it is really nice. It's got billet specialty wheels on it. We do have the factory wheels. They're 17s in front, 20 in the rear, and that's the same size it came with new. It has the original tires on it, actually, from when it was new. They got 1997 date codes. This car was bought brand new in Hillsboro, Oregon, at Hillsboro Chrysler Plymouth, and it only has 31 miles, so 3,431 miles. Very, very cool car, and I just love the looks of it. And I love that the original owner, he had took off the bumpers on the front that you see, and then he took the fenders off as well. We do have those with it, the colored match fenders that are purple as well, and the bumpers if you want to put them on there. Just a really, really cool car that I think that someone's going to enjoy. It is no reserve. Original owner bought it on 4/1/1998. A friend of mine bought it in 8/21 and has had it since then in a collection of other Mopars. So we're going to be selling a few of his cars off, and so look forward to doing that. But this is one of his cars that he was like, man, I don't want to sell it, but I got to make some room, and it's just so unique. And also you'll see it has flames on it. A very popular pinstriper in the Northwest, his name's Mitch Kim. You can look him up. Very popular guy that does a lot of pinstriping, but he did a really nice job on this car. I mean, this car was built to be a hot rod and look like a hot rod, but now it actually looks like one. So very cool. I'm just going to walk around to show you different things. It is all original paint, and it is very clean. Couple little minor little scuffs. You got to remember it's 1999, but it was sold new in 98, so 25 years. So it's looking pretty good. Top's really nice. Interior's agate, kind of a gray, agate gray. It's got the Prowler embossed, little cat kind of look on the seat and the steering wheel. So super cool car, and super nice to ride around in. And it's also got Borla catback exhaust on it too. So I won't talk too much. If you've watched my videos, that's hard for me to do, but I'll just walk around you and show you different things. We'll do a driving video, and I'll show you how the top works and stuff. It's sometimes hard to do with one hand, but doing the camera in both. But anyways, enough jibber jabber in here. You can see the hood is in great shape. It is no reserve, so it is going to sell as well on Bring a Trailer auctions. No curb rash on the wheels. So they're Goodyear Eagle GSDs and the size is 225, 45, 17 in the front. Again, it's got a 2007 or a 1997 date code on the tires. So if you really want to drive, you probably should change the tires. But if you're trying to show it and stuff like that, trying to keep it as original as you can, you kind of want to keep it too. So a couple little scuffs right here. And underneath, hopefully you can see that. You will see it in the pictures. And there's a couple little tiny ones right there. Might be able to buff those, but just wanted to show you that. 4-wheel disc brakes. Very clean. I don't have a bunch of service records. I think it's only got 3,400 miles on it, but they did change the oil and do things why folks have had it here. So, but how many service records are you really going to have? Wheels are really nice. Billet specialties. One little nick right there. Oh, actually, that's not. I thought it was. Very clean. Here's the top. Again, it looks really good. Very little wear, obviously. And I like that they didn't use a vinyl top, it's a canvas. Rear wheel. Here's Mitch. Very, very small. I think they did that. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, there it is. I think he did that in 04. Sorry, I got a little bit of allergies. But just a beautiful car. I love how wide it is. We actually measured it against one of, we sell a lot of trucks, and it's about 79 inches from outside tire to outside tire. But it's low and wide. It looks cool. Here's the exhaust tips, but again, it's got a Borla catback exhaust on it, and it actually sounds really good. Take a look down this side. Yeah, not a lot of flaws, a couple little things, but you can see there's the date code right there. But no curb rash or anything like that. Yeah, it looks great. Let me show you. I'll take my hat off because it's boiling hot. I know I don't look that cool. Took that hat with me to Kauai this year, and he actually brought it back. But I'm going to show you how the top goes up. There's this little lever here, and so you click that, and that loosens this up. And then here, see if I can do it with one hand. Well, I better get in there. You flip that, and you pull that back. Then you do the same thing on the other side. There you go. You can actually do this while you're sitting in the car. I've done it before. There's a little button. You have to have it in park. There's a little yellow button right here. Hopefully you can see that. And that unlatches the back. So you just flip that forward. You can see that. And then I'm gonna flip this forward like that. And then you just lower the top down. And it just drops in there. And then you want to push down more in the middle. So anyways, it just snaps shut like that. So that's super easy. Interior is nice. you can see overall, steering wheel, dash, had something on the floor, just gonna set it there. But everything's really nice. AC, super nice seats, hardly any wear, obviously. Door panel. You can see inside the jam. Just very clean. It does have tinted windows as well. You can see the interior is very nice overall. All the original stickers and stuff, Prowler floor mats and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and, this is back in the time where you could actually start something without having your foot on the brake. Show you where I started it up, but I didn't show you where there's the hood latch down there. Just pull it up. Oh, yeah, you can see the miles, 34, 32. You can see that light there, low tire. You can see all the gauges and everything. Work on it, AC and stuff, and it's got a tach. But that low tire light is staying on. I did check the tire pressure and stuff, and it's all good. It's probably a sensor that's bad. And I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. They might not have put the sensors in here. I'm not sure. So we'll take a look underneath. There is a prop rod. You just grab it. Put it right here. Engine, obviously, very clean, 3.5 liter. I think it's got 253 horsepower, but again, everything's very, very clean. Underneath here, here's all your emissions. I'll take a photo of that for you. See, it's got Coney industrial shocks, overrides in front, overriders. There's the battery. So I mean, things is totally built like a hot rod. Very, very cool. And they did a really good job with this car overall. So anyways, I'll go ahead and put the hood back down. Oh, I don't think I pushed the button down. It's always hard doing this stuff with one hand. There you go. So sorry what happened in Maui. We went there 2 years ago. Just beautiful in that little town. Just beautiful and, you know, super historic. Probably never be the same again, obviously, but I hope that they can make it like that and don't commercialize it all up and stuff. So anyways, just saying that because of my Hawaiian hat, because we just got back from Hawaii. But just beautiful over there. The people are so nice. So anyways, prayers out to them. And again, 1999 Prowler up for sale and bring a trailer. It is sold with no reserve. We are dealers here in Oregon and selling it for our friend, and no warranty express or implied. If you need any help selling anything, you can go to our website. It's denwerks.com. It's let me get back here. DENWERKS. You know, we like to show people exactly what they're buying. We don't like smoke and mirrors. So if you like our presentation, we would be glad to help you. We do help a lot of local people, but we have a lot of people ship stuff here too. So would love to help you. So anyways, that's enough of that. enjoy the auction, go to the comments, watch the video, read the write-up, fly in, take a look at it before you bid, make sure it's exactly what you want, and we'd love to show it to you. So use all those as tools: the comments, the video, the pictures, the write-up, and just call us. Thanks for taking a peek. Hey, it's me again. I just wanted to show you all the gauges and stuff working. You can see the cruise light there on when I hit the button, on and off. It comes on and off, and it does work while you're driving it. But 34 miles, temp, fuel, and the oil and the volts. I like how they put this all in the middle like a traditional hot rod. You can see the radio. It does work. And then it has a 10-disc CD behind the passenger seat. I've never used it. I don't even have a CD. You can see the AC, the fan works, all that's working. And then horn, and then wipers, they're working as well. So everything's working in here nicely. Windows, you can see the window go up and the window go down. I still got the wipers on, and then it also has tilt wheel here, and so that's a nice appointment, reading lamps and stuff. So we'll just cruise it around here a little bit, and it does drive nice. You know, again, the tires are older, so they're 2007, so if you're going to really be driving it, I would probably get those changed. They don't feel flat spotted very much or anything like that. I do feel a little bit sometimes, but it's probably due to the age, but they feel good. But again, you're gonna probably want to change them. But anyways, it drives nice, super fun. Tack works. You know, it's pretty peppy. It's got 250 horsepower, and that's net. So I don't know what the bulk horsepower is, but pretty fun to drive. So I'm just gonna cruise around. We live out here in the country. Me and Mrs. Denwerks, and super nice out here. So anyways, thanks for taking a ride with me, and we'll show you some more stuff.